Alright guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I want to show you guys how to make this logo right here. This is another logo by Cool, so you guys can go ahead and give him a follow. Real quick, before we start, we have had a huge revamp to our entire store. Design assets for Roblox and browse. You can see we have so many new assets right here. We could go to explore, and now we can also filter by free, as you can see. And right here, as you can see, we have unlimited access. Link is down below, or you can head over to gfxcomet.com. We're gonna start with the icon right here, so make a new layer. We're going to grab our pencil, and I'm just going to start let me think. I'll start right here actually. We go across right here. We're gonna hold Alt, click, and make a new curve. Okay, so click down here, and we're just gonna go back up, as you see, and go around, and here we go. This looks pretty good. Here is our little first shape. This is from Fallen Graphics. I really like the colors here for the red, so I'm also going to use this as a reference. I grab this color. This is like a more pinkish color, kind of like this right here, right? And basically, new layer, pencil. Create the bevel here, drag this across, choose the color, just make it darker. Okay, new layer, we're gonna do this part. Okay, and grab this color as well. Alright, so this is what we have so far. Let's make a new layer, pencil, and now we're gonna make this top part. Here we go. Okay, let's go across. Okay, so this will go right here. I'm gonna go for like a bluish white color. I think something like this looks pretty good. Okay, new layer under. We're gonna make this part one big shape. Right here, this will just go like that because it goes behind this thing right here, like this. Gonna grab this color, make this darker. We're gonna make a new layer, right click and hit create mask. Basically, you're just gonna take our polygonal lasso tool, and basically we're gonna go right here and make a cut, a selection. Take our brush tool, just gonna paint like this. Overlay mode, new layer, and for over here, overlay as well. This looks pretty good. Okay, so this will go up and across. Here we go, and boom. Obviously, the same thing. New layer, clip, and we're just gonna add the shading, as you can see. And same thing for this thing, new layer, right click, create mask. Shading will go like right here. Need some like white in the center. I don't know. Overlay or soft light. Both can work. And some shading for the main shape here. Kind of like this, I guess. That looks pretty good. I'm going to group all this up. I'm just gonna call this magnet. Okay, let's go ahead and type out our text. So magnets. We could take out the letter N here. I'm gonna use comet for my fonts, like I always do, basically. Anyways, try to mesh these out. These two, I'm just gonna copy, right click, hit rasterize type, and grab the rectangular marquee, right click and hit cut. Take this and match these up, merge these two, Control T warp, and we're gonna go for an arc. Alright, I think that's pretty close. Cool. Like I said, I like the colors on this logo, so let me go ahead and see what's up here. So yeah, I like this pinkish color here, personally. I think it just looks better. So I'm gonna adjust the red color here. Luckily we still have the shape, so it's very easy to actually change. Here's our text. Looks pretty good. So if we make a new layer, we right click and hit create mask, pencil, we're gonna go across. Just like so. Just like that. Boom. We're gonna go for mode. Let's just lower the opacity. I'm going to add a layer under. Take my brush tool, add some shading here. Like that. Looks pretty good. And also some shading up top. I'm gonna go right click, blending options up here, inner shadow. Let's go for this right here. Just like so. Okay, this is our first text right here. Boom. Okay, now for our second text, it's just simulator. Like this. This will just obviously go across. So everything from here should be pretty simple. I'm also gonna add an arc, like so. This matches pretty well. I really like the colors here. So let me just go for this color. Right click, rasterize, new layer, right click, mask. Pencil. Shape. Overlay mode. New layer. Okay, this looks pretty good, I think. Alright, now we're just gonna take everything, group, copy, flatten, Control E. We're just going to make a new layer, hold Control, click right here, select, modify, expand, 25. I'm gonna use this color right here. Alt backspace, and now we have this thing. I'm just gonna copy it once more. Control T, resize down here. And then we take our pencil. We're gonna match these up and also fill in the empty spaces right here. Alright, now we can add the letter X. And I guess for this, I'm just gonna use this blue color. Boom, blue layer. We're gonna add some shading. Okay, looks pretty good. And for this, we can just add a stroke color. And boom. Outside. Just like so. Okay, so make a new layer. We're gonna take our pencil, fill off, stroke on. We're gonna use the color yellow. Like so. Now we can just do this. Make this like what? 10, 15. Okay, so right here, change this part. Change the caps here. Add inner glow. Outer glow. Like this right here. Boom. Of course, you could create some crazier shapes if you want. Okay. Alright, we can take everything, group, flatten. We can also use a rectangle. So right here, right click, create mask. Like so. I'm gonna go soft light. Just gonna erase. Alright, here is our finished logo. If you enjoyed, make sure to drop a like down below. And I hope to see you guys next time. Peace out.